So, you're looking for Weybridges. Thank you for your interest in our Weybridge selection. Give me 2 minutes briefly to explain to you about our company. Hi, I am Saurabh Tikmani, the Director of Tulsi Way Solutions Private Limited. Since 68 years at Tulsi, we have helped over 6,000 customers across 15 countries to save up to 5,700 crore rupees annually. Some of our major customers are like Tata, Birla, Bajaj Hindustan and Indian Defence as well, and many more. Let me tell you, a typical 10 crore company would save up to somewhere around 9.5 lakh rupees in a year. And in a 100 crore company, you can multiply that by 100 and see your number, which is going to be big enough. Recently, at a very big tea company, we installed our system and they reduced their overtime cost by optimizing the Weybridge solution by up to 5 lakh rupees in a year. Can you imagine how much would that be for you? So this number magic, this saving magic can be with you as well. आप भी इसको use कर सकते हो and you can save a lot. Let me tell you, the numbers differ from person to person, depending on what your company does, depending on what your procedure is. For this, our loss prevention expert for Weybridges shall call you and ask you some details about your questions, about your business, about everything. So don't mind and share that with our loss prevention expert so that he can guide you. The questions are going to be like this. You can pause the video and see it one by one and note down the answers as he's going to call you soon. How many vehicles would you weigh on your Weybridge in 1 day or 1 week? कितने vehicles आप वजन करोगे? Secondly, how much material would you weigh on your Weybridge approximately in 1 day in tons? आप एक दिन में या एक हफ्ते में कितना material वजन करोगे? You may be having different materials. Third, you may be having different materials. आपका average price per ton उस material का कितना होगा? Accordingly, you should invest in your Weybridges. What is the average price? That was important. Fourthly, now, are you a first time purchaser? क्या आपने पहले कोई Weybridge खरीद रखा है? Are you an owner or you are a first time purchaser of Weybridges? Fourthly and fifthly, now fifthly very important, are you a new company? आप जहां लगा रहे हो वो कहीं एक नया कंपनी है? अगर वो नया कंपनी है, what is the reason you want to install this Weybridge? What is the reason? आप Weybridge क्यों लगाना चाह रहे हो? To get what out of the Weybridge? What is the reason you want to install it? If you are an old company and you are a functioning company for some days, years, months, तब आप ये पहले नहीं लगाए और अब लगा रहे हो. What is the problem you faced because you are putting it now? These are important questions for us to get you the same savings. Please understand and deliver accurate answers to these questions, and we will give you the best solution to have the savings. This is about our company and the points you need to tell our loss prevention expert to help you curb down your losses before you have them. If you have any kind of queries, other questions, other queries, you may tell our loss prevention experts and they will help you save like all the other 6,000 plus customers across 15 countries. If you have any other question or if you want to skip the queue, you can even call on the number or the email below and we shall be happy to help you soon enough. Last but not the least, we have a series of 130 plus videos which will help you understand which Weybridge should you buy, what is the important load cell and what are the different factors. The videos for your comfort are divided into different blocks. Our loss prevention expert shall ask you which are the interesting blocks or the topics you are interested in, and accordingly we would be more than happy and give us the permission to share those videos with you on WhatsApp, email, SMS, other forms so that you can exactly know before making this huge capital investment, and this will guide you and make you understand which Weybridge should you buy, which is the most important thing. If there is anything else you need to know, you can surely get back to us. Thank you.